is the future of entertainment. Samsung's innovation continues to lead the charge.
The future of TV is going to be less about what you see with your eyes and more about what you feel.
And I could control the television with my hands just by moving them through the air.
I want to be part of the movie. I want to be in there with them.
TV that would do a projection, so where it would have the front and your sides.
When I was young, we had to go up and manually turn the dial, and then we had clickers after that. But I think it would be more interactive.
Well, something like a push a button that appears.
Just make it change with your blink of your eyes or with your voice.
It would know for each member of my family what we like to watch.
I think that they would have something called smell-o-vision, which you can smell things.
And now Samsung